Hello class 10 children, as you all know we are doing digital documentation advanced of part B. Now the first session we have studied about styles, what are the various types of styles, how can styles be implemented in openoffice.org and how they can be modified. Now today, inserting and using the images. As you all know that in Microsoft Word also you were able to insert the images. So here in openoffice.org, images can be added to the document in several ways. For example, the first way is by inserting an image directly in the form of an image file. Then next is inserting an image using a scanner, and the third one is inserting an image from the gallery. So first of all, we'll study about inserting an image file. So when an image is stored in the form of a file in the computer, you can insert it in openoffice.org by either of the following methods. So first method says drag and drop. So first of all, open the file browser window and locate the image that you want to insert. So whichever image file you want to insert, first you will locate that. Then drag this image into the writer document and drop it where you want it to be appear. So just with the help of mouse, drag it and drop it on the document where you want it to appear. So what will happen? A faint vertical line mark will appear where the image will be dropped. So after this, your image will be inserted in the document, and this method saves a copy of the image file in the writer document. So this is the first way of inserting an image file, that is dragging and dropping it. Next is insert the picture dialog. Now what is this? Now click on the openoffice.org document where you want the image to be inserted. Now you will choose insert picture from file from menu bar option. Insert, then picture, then from file from menu bar option. On the insert picture dialog, navigate to the file to be inserted. Select it and open it. So here you will find variety of images. Whichever you want, just select it and open it. At the bottom of the dialog, there will be two options, preview and link. Preview helps us to view a thumbnail version of the selected image, so that to check whether the image that you are inserting is right or not. And link give you the link of that file, that where is that file located. So this is using the insert picture dialog. You just need to click on insert, then picture, then from file from menu bar. Then the third one is inserting an image from clipboard. Now clipboard is an area where the images are stored temporarily. So using the clipboard, we can copy the images into the openoffice.org document from another openoffice.org document or from any other program. So what you will open? You will open both the source and the target document, that from where to where you want the picture to be copied, the source document and the target document. Now in the source document, you will select the image to be copied. Now move the mouse pointer over the selected image and press Ctrl+C to copy the image to the clipboard. Then go to the target document and there you place the cursor where the graphic is to be inserted. Press Ctrl+V to paste the image that you have selected. So in the clipboard, just you need to open two documents. First the source where you want the picture to be inserted from, and the target. Now from the source, you press Ctrl+C to copy the image, and in the target you press Ctrl+V to paste the image. Then the next method is inserting an image using a scanner. Now what is a scanner? Scanner scans the image and that image goes into your computer. So if a scanner is connected to your computer, openoffice.org can use the scanning application and insert the scanned item into the openoffice.org document as an image. So what you will do, click where you want the graphic to be inserted and you will select insert, picture, scan and select source. So this practice is quick and easy, but it will not result into high quality image of the correct size because you are scanning it and the size may vary. So for better results, you will have to edit the image later. The next one is inserting an image from the gallery. Now the gallery provides a convenient way to group the reusable objects such as graphics and sounds that you can insert into your documents. Gallery is available in all the components of openoffice.org. So it contains a variety of images. So to insert the picture from the gallery, what you will do, you will click on the gallery icon located on the right hand side of the standard toolbar, or you will choose Tools Gallery option. Now navigate through the gallery to find the desired picture, and then you will just simply drag it from the gallery and drop it in the writer document. Or you can right click the picture and choose Insert Copy. So from the gallery you can easily insert an image in the openoffice.org document. Now by default what happens, this gallery is present at the top of the writer workspace. To expand the gallery, position the pointer over the line that divides it from the top of the workspace, and when the pointer changes to parallel line, click and drag downward. The workspace resizes in response. So what will happen, you can expand the gallery on the document. Then in order to expand the gallery without affecting the workspace, what you will do is hold down the control key and double click on the upper part of the gallery. With the help of control key holding down, you will double click on the upper part. So what will happen, it will be covering the entire space. That means your gallery will be hidden. Then to close the gallery, you can choose Tools Gallery to uncheck the gallery entry and click on the gallery icon again. So these are the different ways in which you can insert images inside the openoffice.org document. So children, that is all for today. Notes of this topic I'll be giving once this topic is complete, because next after this we'll be studying about how to modify the inserted image, then resizing the image, rotating a picture. So all these notes I'll be giving you together. So today you just watch this video. Thank you and have a nice day.